Ah, you're here. Welcome to Groworx, where we recruit, train, and find opportunities for the best healthcare workers in the world. Let me take you on a tour of one of the facilities here in the Philippines to show you just a little bit about our daily life and how we're able to achieve what we do. We realised early on that recruiting great healthcare workers was not enough. We needed to prepare them for their career abroad, which is where Groworx Academy comes in. We've even spent millions of dollars in equipment and facilities to be able to provide world-class training standards for our healthcare workers. Let me show you one of our facilities here. Come along. A critical part of our training is to have facilities where people want to come and connect with our tutors abroad. Hi guys.
Hi Sir Dan.
This here is the room where our registered training organisation partners leverage advanced collaboration technologies to establish connections with our trainees, ensuring an innovative and effective training experience.
Healthcare is a contact sport. That means we need to prepare people with physical training. To do that, we need simulation rooms that meet international standards. Here's one that we have for our aged care facility training. All of this is run and supported by our medically trained tutors that support in each of our simulation sessions each week.
In our recruitment process, we operate both virtually and through walk-in recruitments, enabling people to apply in person and finalise their application all within a single day. This method addresses the significant demand we face in the Philippines. After candidates complete the AI-based assessment tools, it creates a relaxed environment for our recruiters to conduct the crucial final interview. This allows us to understand our candidates more deeply, ensuring we are better equipped to identify the ideal candidate for you. At Groworx, wellness is a priority, and we take care of our employees not only through healthy snack options, but also by offering Zumba fitness dancing and other many activities. Over here, we have a dedicated massage room, and for those that need more of a massage, we have an on-site clinic staffed with a 24/7 nurse. In all of our offices, we've established dedicated sleeping quarters. As you can see by today's little tour, at Groworx we're passionate about providing the best standard of care, facilities and training quality, so that our students are the best prepared in the world, so that they can help achieve their dream abroad and help our provider clients in countries around the world fulfill their mission of providing the best standard of care. In addition to our local facilities, we also operate in Australia and Hong Kong. And that wraps up our tour here at Groworx. It's been a pleasure showing you around and giving you a glimpse into the heart of what we do. We're not just about providing exceptional training and opportunities for healthcare workers abroad. We're about building a community that values diversity, wellness and personal growth, about supporting them through their entire career while abroad. Whether it's through our state-of-the-art facilities in the Philippines, our offices in Australia or Hong Kong, our mission remains the same: to empower healthcare professionals to reach their full potential and make a significant impact across the globe.
Thanks for joining me on this journey today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on how Groworx is changing the game for international healthcare recruitment and training. Remember, at Groworx we're more than a company. We're a community dedicated to excellence and innovation in healthcare. See you in the next vlog. Bye!
Bye!